Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. EP3 in the house. This one has travelled some distance to be with us today. K-Pro ECU about to be fitted by our Richard after we do the initial power run, and we'll go from there. So let's make some noise. Couldn't get his words out to take two.
Yeah.
EP3 Milano reddish.
It's definitely not red. I'd definitely suggest it's pink. Yeah, but this is an Isle of Man car, I believe. I think the young man is from the Isle of Man, but he's visiting family in Wellingborough, so he's dropped the car with us on Saturday. So to obviously get it done, he's here till Wednesday, and obviously he'll pick it up on the way back to the Isle of Man.
Fantastic.
So that's great.
So we have indeed mapped it up. It's got some mods, ain't it?
Yeah, it's got a solid fab
manifold.
It's got a solid fab exhaust. He's got the letterbox induction kit, and that's really about it.
Leaf eater.
Yeah, the leaf eater. Now, he's got an amazing exhaust on it. They are really, really good, and they flow really well, and you can see that when they come on power initially. And then towards the top end, it sort of almost reaches the same power that it sort of made before the map went on it. It almost just slightly touches the top of it, and that's obviously going to be down to the inlet manifold and the induction kit. Obviously at that point it basically about 7.5. It doesn't lose power, but it doesn't make power anymore from that point.
Did it finish on 226?
Yeah, 226 I think is obviously where we finished. Now the restriction there is simply just going to be the inlet manifold and induction kit. Again, the induction kit perhaps not so much as the inlet manifold, but obviously the stock inlet manifold.
There's always more to be had.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the exhaust is way capable of, you know, outperforming.
It's on 97 RON fuel.
Admittedly, like you say, he is on 97 RON fuel, but again, he said on the Isle of Man, he says that's what he can get, or that's what he regularly can get out of. So we've tuned it on 97, which is fine. Again, it's still super unleaded, so there's no problem as far as I'm concerned there. I don't think that's hurt us on power today necessarily anyway. I think that obviously it's got a really good exhaust, and we've not done any other mods on the intake side, so therefore it's just capped the power.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That is about it. I was just going to say, there's a video. Obviously, you guys are watching this. This is an EP3, but there is a video coming up of a Toyota Supra, not the white one. I hope you go and watch the white Supra video. That was amazing. But there was another Toyota Supra that followed it into the paint shop. Yeah.
That's been recently. That's being finished.
I think we will. Amazing.
Yeah, that is obviously it's Monday today. That's not getting collected till Saturday. So we're hoping between now and Saturday we're going to have some sun so we can pull it outside and finish the video.
You're going to like it a lot.
So yeah, watch out for that.
Yeah.
Do you have a look at the graph?
Let's do it. Let's have a look at the graph. I'll put the specs on. So here we go. Red line is as she came in. Blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power in the mid-range there as expected. And as Richard said, just touches the peak of where we were before. But finishing on 226 brake horsepower, 194 at the wheels. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I hope today is the day that you decide to subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate it. For all of you that are already subscribed, we really do appreciate you. So thanks very much. I know you all went to the show at the weekend and loved it. It was great to see everybody wearing the Dynodaze merchandise, the Dynodaze hoodies and the hats. So if anybody wants, they're down here. I think you can get them on the bottom of the YouTube video. But code word for this video, well, Let's go with Tegua. Arjano's just unstrapping this car, but I did ask him, did you enjoy the show at the weekend? Japfest Silverstone.
It exceeded my expectations.
Did it?
Absolutely loved it.
Love
seeing everybody. Love seeing Fixed, Azar, everybody was there.
Matty was there.
Sean, seen Sean.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing show.
Good. What was your favourite car?
S13. I got at least 50 photos of different S13s everywhere.
One day, my son, one day.
I will have an S13. And it's going candy red.
Is it? Okay.
Candy
yeah,
red.
excellent. Okay, right, well, thanks, Jeno, and we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, mate?
We will indeed.
Boy, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Can't forget Barnsley as well. I did see Barnsley. Got to say that.
Barnsley's one of my favourites.
Yeah, we love Barnsley, don't we?
Yeah, we do.